Hey everybody, John here, obviously. And I uploaded a video probably about an hour ago tonight talking about same-sex marriage in California having been overturned and why I thought that was a good thing. The problem being, it hasn't been overturned. I read that it had been, and I didn't check. I got it wrong. So then I went and took my phone and I recorded another video making the correction and apologizing for getting that wrong. Of course, that erased the whole point of what I was doing. So I'm going to go back to my original point, which was, regardless of the fact that it hasn't been overturned, I'm going to say same-sex marriage as an attainment, as an achievement. Like, we've got this same-sex marriage wherever you happen to be. In California it's legal, in other places it's illegal, in a few others it's not, is a mistake. It's a failure of the gay advocacy community. It's a failure of imagination. It's a failure of creativity. It's a mindless following of the heterosexual mainstream into destruction. Because marriages end. I mean, they end either in divorce or in death. Now, it's kind of an old joke. But divorce is extremely destructive to every single person who goes through it. You know, if you want to part or separate a relationship, okay, that's nice. Everybody can go their own way peacefully. Everybody, you go that way and you live your life, and I have different goals and I go that way with my life, and maybe we stay friends, or maybe we just don't talk to each other because we're no longer friends. But when you do it in the family court, which is where so many divorces end, you are in a court of conflict. You are in an arena of combat. And because it's done through lawyers who make money by forcing this conflict, people get chewed up. They get twisted. They get their lives destroyed. They get their livelihoods erased. They trade accusations of criminal and sexual misconduct. But these accusations in the family court are used instrumentally as a way to gain advantage for child access, or increase or to decrease child support payments. The family court and the Family Law Act, which rules over it, is, in my view, entirely corrupt. And so the gay advocacy, or the same-sex marriage advocacy crowd, is in their effort to have equality of rights and equality of opportunity and all that shit, all that lovely stuff that everybody wants, jumping on the bandwagon of this extremely dysfunctional, destructive machine that ruins lives. It ruins each of the man and the woman, and it's going to ruin the lives of two men, and it's going to ruin the lives of two women when they go through, and it ruins the lives of children by taking their parents away from them. So, yeah, I did a video saying it had been overturned, and that's a good thing, except it wasn't overturned, but it would be a good thing. And the continued push for the legalization and recognition of same-sex marriage is a push towards buying into a destructive and dysfunctional legal apparatus that chews people up. If you really think you want to get married and you're a gay advocate or a gay same-sex marriage advocate, honestly, and no rhetoric here, take a day off work and go sit in the family court and watch the destruction that happens to each of the people who go through that court. This is not a joke. This is not rhetoric. This is not being sharp and funny. People's lives are destroyed by this legal and social institution, and to want to join it is a colossal and terrible mistake. There's an opportunity to do something new, to do something different that doesn't destroy people's lives when they go through it. And that opportunity is lost when same-sex marriage is normalized and we are all stuck with this horrible fucking machine. Anyway, thanks very much for watching, and as always, have a lovely day.